Well, here's a little Corvette update. It's all done, obviously. Back together. I just went and had the clear film, the expel done on the hood and the fender yesterday. The mirror, the door cups, and the edges. And I had them tint the lights with the tinted expel film. Those ones, you might be able to do those. We're not sure yet. And the headlights. So it gives it a different look. If I don't like that, I can just take it off, but I'm gonna leave it for now. So we're all done here. The only issue I have, see the door is fine, but you roll the window down here. When the window is all the way down, it rattles. I'm gonna throw the key inside so it quits doing that. Actually, it's probably still gonna do that. But anyway, you take the door, you shake it. That's my sunglasses. You can hear something in there. If you raise up the window just a little bit, it doesn't do it. Anyways, bugging the crap out of me. So I'm gonna pull the door panel and see what I can find. Other than that, and this annoying beeping, other than that, this car is finished. Let's see what the headlights or the look like on. So anyway, that's pretty cool. As a recap, there's a new fender, a new door, repair on the quarter, repair this rocker, repair the rear bumper, repair the hood, new mirror. So yeah. Get all the stickers. So you'd never know. Except for that rattle when you shut the door. So, we'll be back when I figure out what the problem is. Alright, got the door panel off. Looking at the window. You see this right here. When the window, this is the sound you hear when you shut the door. It's right where the window, right there, is hitting the door shell. There's a little rubber bumper right here that's supposed to stop it from hitting that, but it's hitting the door before it hits this. See, it doesn't get to that rubber bumper. It gets right to it. So I need to loosen this nut, adjust this track that way, so the window's further that way, so it hits that rubber bumper. I think we'll be good. Okay, I got that adjusted where it's hitting that rubber, it's not hitting the door. See the gap I got here? So we'll shut the door and see how she sounds. Brush the wires there on the dash, make sure those aren't going to be an issue. Oh, still did a little bit. Not much. I don't think it will once the door panel's on and the felt on the door panel's holding the glass. I don't know if I should move it more just to be safe. I might move it a little bit more, but I'm just going to move it more, put it back together. Hopefully that didn't change how the glass is when it's up, because I already had it adjusted to fit right. This door was different. To get this door to fit on the car, I had to move the hinges on the cowl, which changed everything. Jim doesn't know how to make two parts exactly the same, so it seems like anytime you put a door on, you got to change everything else. But the glass fits good when it's up. So hopefully that doesn't affect it. It shouldn't, but we'll see. Alright, ready to put the door panel back on. For a little extra insurance, I put a piece of double-sided tape right where it was touching before and just didn't peel off the other side. So if it hits, it'll hit that and cushion it, and you won't hear it. Much better. Alright, door panel's on. All done. If you slam it, you can still hear it a little bit. But I can't adjust that out anymore. It's already probably too far. It's almost like it's the other side now, but that side didn't look like it was close. I'd say it's about 80% better. Pretty good. Still a little bit of something. But that is good enough. Roll the window up. And see if it still fits. Hopefully we're still good here. And we're not. Looks like it's tilted in too far. Can't really tell exactly what it wants. Anyway, I'll have to set the camera down and take a closer look. It almost looks like you need to lean it in, which wouldn't make any sense because what I just did there, I moved it out. Yeah, I leaned it out, so I might have to, at the bottom, there's two plugs in the bottom of the door you pull out. You can adjust the tracks in and out. So I might have to tip it in a little bit now. So maybe we'll do that a little bit. Although this side's kind of the same way. Yeah, it's a little easier. Oh well. Oh, look at that. Then it'll be done, maybe. Alright, so I got the door panel back off. I tried to settle, but I know if I don't make this as perfect as I can get it, it's going to drive me crazy. So I might as well just do it now. Here's a nice little feature about Corvettes, and I'm sure some other cars. But, you can't roll the window up and down with the door panel off, because it plugs into the door panel here. Then you got this little brain thing and this whole wiring harness, and then the door switch plugs into that harness. So unless you take this harness off the door panel, bring it over here and put it on the door here, it's really hard to adjust the windows. So that's what I'm going to do. I got to pull that harness off the door panel, bring it over here, plug it in, get the switches, plug them in, then I can raise the window and adjust the window and all that stuff, which I've already done once before, but that was before I had this problem here. Now that I changed that, it changed everything, and cars are awesome.